Alright, so today we're going to find out if this universal lift from Amazon is any good. Will you spend your money on it? Alright, so what I've got here is a universal lift, but I got as Jimbo from Robot Cantina would call it, the jungle site. This is just a universal lift. Here we go. From Amazon. Not meant for any particular car really, but we're gonna make it fit my car. See if it's worth any money. I can already tell you it's very thin, but we'll see how it looks, because that's all that matters, is how it looks. Now that I've got the car up in the air and on some jack stands, I'm just going to take these plastic clips from Harbor Freight, start clipping it to the bumper. Now, with that, I guess sort of vaguely clamped in place, I get rid of the little gaps. Looks a little funky, but not too terrible. Alright, let's go grab some screws and get this thing mounted. And there we go. Just like that, we've installed 50% more street cred. So let's go ahead and get this on the ground and see what it looks like. Alright guys, that was honestly incredibly simple to do, especially if you use those little clips. Took maybe about 10-15 minutes, and that's with just really taking my time. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad for, I think, the $37 or so that I spent on this lip, and took 0 measurements, none of them. It actually fits, looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and let's get this camera off of here, give you guys a good view. Yeah, pretty happy. Let's see what it looks like with the hood closed. So is it worth it? I guess that's up to you, but I'd say so. Real cheap, real easy, and who cares if you split it on a curb? It only costs you about 40 bucks. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.